Smoke, and then any moment now you'll hear the and they lift the aircraft and into free fall at 120 miles an hour. Now they're pulling their parachutes. Now they're looking up, they're making sure they can control those parachutes, making sure that everything's okay. If not, they'll go away from the stack, they'll discharge their main parachute and get on to their reserve. But everything's okay today. They're now looking around and getting into that famous stack of the Royal Air Force Falcons. The Royal Air Force Falcons are the only parachute display team in the world to be able to do the loose stack. Very close, flying very close to one another. Now I'll give you over to the team coach as he talks to the team as they come down. Now, the one you see sort of just going to the rear, he's the cameraman. He's just taking a few shots. They'll make a turn and he will slot back in together into that stack. Ladies and gentlemen, they can hear you. Put your hands together. That wonderful stack of the Royal Air Force Falcons. Ladies and gentlemen, throughout the Commonwealth, throughout the world, they send people, their instructors, to us in England, okay, to train them to be able to parachute. Yes, we lead the way in the world for military parachuting. Ladies and gentlemen, just look at that stack. And they're fighting the winds up there. This is the voice of Gary Marshall, team coach.
Now, there will be a little jump to that shortly. Get lots of them. Turn left, 45 degrees, turn left. Now, turn down, turn left, slowly, on my base back, turn left.
So they've all got receivers, they're all listening to the team coach. That's just what the Red Arrows do. So they're coming now around and lining up now to shoot for those crosses. So ladies and gentlemen, as they land here at Duxford, put your hands together for the Royal Air Force Falcons.
One, of course, being the Red Arrows, this, the other, the Tiger 9. And these guys are doing it the hard way. These very light wing-loaded aircraft. I'll keep quiet as they come by. You can listen to those gorgeous 130 horsepower de Havilland Gypsy Major engines. In the colour schemes of those that were sold off after the Second World War, sold often for as little as £50. They just had so many of them. And they were then bought up by the flying clubs around the country, some used for crop dusting, some used for paradropping, and they were all painted in these jolly colours. Again, beautiful formation there. They make it look easy. But you've got such light wing loading, you're being bounced up and down all the time. Now you can see the Moth Major on the far right-hand side with those straight wings.
So there goes our 13 ship of Spitfires, including the Sol C-53, off to reform up for their brakes to land while we get our unique finale flight pass into the air.
The world war by their promise and by their devotion. Never in the field of human conflict was so much owed by so many to so few.
From the left, our Battle of Britain finale formation.
I think you're fine, I reckon. One down there that didn't get away.
Well, a remarkable formation. One that crucially recalls that it wasn't just the Spitfire that fought as part of our Air Fighter Command during the Battle of Britain. Of course, the Spitfire outnumbered us. This aircraft served as number 245 squadron, initially based at Drem on the east coast of Scotland, where they